Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to turn off or disable IPv6 in Mac. Click Apple icon, click System Preferences. Click Network. Click Advanced. Only 3 options are available. Open Terminal. Type Network Setup. Set v6 off space. Ethernet, press Enter key. IPv6 is disabled. Click OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.